Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a spreadsheet into Jotform. This is incredibly useful when you want to display live data, pricing tables, or reference information directly within your forms, making everything more interactive and informative for your users. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your Jotform dashboard without any delays. After you've logged in successfully, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on this button to begin the process of building your new form. This is your starting point for any new Jotform project. Next, you'll see several options appear. Click on Form from the menu that shows up. Then select Start from Scratch to give yourself a blank canvas to work with. From the options presented, choose Classic Form. This gives you the traditional form builder interface that's perfect for embedding external content like spreadsheets. Now that you're in the form builder, direct your attention to the left panel and click on Add Element. This opens up all the different elements and widgets you can add to your form. Navigate to the Widgets tab, which contains specialized tools beyond basic form fields. In the search bar, type iframe embed and click on it when it appears. This widget is what allows you to embed external content, including spreadsheets, directly into your form. Once the iframe embed widget is added to your form, click on the wand icon, which represents the settings for this widget. This is where you'll configure how your spreadsheet appears within the form. In the General tab, look for the field labeled Frame URL. This is where you'll paste the URL of your spreadsheet. If you're using Google Sheets, it's important to make sure your sheet is shared properly. Set the sharing permissions to anyone with the link can view, then copy the shareable link. Paste this link into the frame URL field. This step is crucial because without the correct sharing settings, your spreadsheet won't display properly to form users. After you've pasted your URL, click on the gear icon, which opens the Properties panel. Here, you'll need to set the width and height to ensure your embedded spreadsheet fits well within your form design. For example, you might set the width to 100% and the height to 600 pixels. These dimensions help ensure the embedded sheet displays properly and is fully visible to anyone viewing your form. Feel free to adjust these values based on your specific needs and the amount of data you're displaying. Finally, it's time to verify everything looks correct. Click on the Preview Form button located in the upper right corner of the page. This lets you see exactly how your form will appear to users. Check that the embedded spreadsheet shows up correctly and that all the data is visible and accessible as expected. Give the page a moment to load completely so you can see the full result. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a spreadsheet into your Jotform, making your forms more dynamic and data-rich. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.